This is the Oppo Reno 16, the latest addition to Oppo's Reno series. On paper, the specs are really impressive, but we are here to talk about the real life experience. My name is Sergio Arora. You are watching Gadget 360. Let's begin. Firstly, let's talk about the design. It has a metal body, there is Oppo branding at the back along with a nicely placed camera module. The back does not attract many fingerprint smudges unless you are using it with oily fingers. It has a boxy design which is ergonomic to hold and use with one hand. This was my secondary phone for our testing and I managed to easily use it with one hand for over 40 minutes. Volume rockers and the power button are on the right side and the other side houses the snap key which you can customize as you like. This phone comes with a 6.3-inch 120Hz display with HDR support. I enjoyed binge watching a lot on this. The display is vibrant, punchy and the colors are natural. I watched anime, series and sci-fi shows and the experience was top notch. Even outdoors, the display is perfectly visible so you can create or consume content. The speakers are also quite loud. The fingerprint sensor is responsive and you get good haptic feedback, which I personally like. The Oppo Reno 16 comes with a Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor and I tested it in many ways. Firstly, I played games like BGMI, Asphalt and Subway Surfers City. While playing BGMI at highest graphics setting, the device did not disappoint. I got a consistent 90 FPS and even the graphics were good. I checked if the device was heating up, but there was no major heating. It only got a little warm, then cooled down in just 5 to 10 minutes. Then I played Asphalt and the graphics were awesome. The game was lag-free and there were no latency issues either. And the same goes while playing Subway Surfers City. But to test it even more, I ran some tests and all the results are on your screen. In the Antutu benchmark, it scored more than 14 lakh, which is good, and even in 3D Mark, it shows good stability. App opening and switching are smooth, and even if you open many apps at the same time and use them, the phone does not show any lag. And thanks to ColorOS 16, the animations were smooth too. But yes, there is one thing that could be annoying to some, which is bloatware. Although you can delete it, but personally, I don't like it. Moving on, let's talk about the cameras. This phone comes with a triple rear camera setup of a 50MP primary lens, a 50MP ultra-wide lens and a 50MP telephoto lens. The primary camera can click good images in daylight with natural colors and the details are crisp and clear. Even if you zoom in, you can see all the fine details clearly with good dynamic range. In ultra-wide mode, the result is similar. You get clean, crisp images with good dynamic range and even the skin tone is close to natural. In portrait mode, the edges are nicely detected and even if you click portraits at 1x or 3.5x, you will get a good bokeh effect. The colors are close to natural and it also maintains the dynamic range of the subject. Moving on, let's talk about the selfie result. This phone comes with a 50MP selfie camera that gives you good detailed images so you can see all the facial details clearly. The colors in the picture are natural and there is good dynamic range as well. In selfie mode, you get 0.6x selfie options too, which is a good thing to have for group photos and the result in this mode is also the same. Selfie portraits are similarly good too. You get good edge detection with natural skin tone and you also get the wider portrait selfie option which gives the same results. This phone can record videos up to 4K 60fps from both rear and front cameras and the result is good. While recording from the rear camera at 60fps, I turned on stabilizer and it can still record at the same setting even with the ultra-wide camera. Oppo also launched a new device called Oppo Bubble along with this phone. You can connect it with your phone via Bluetooth and operate your camera using it. It is super helpful for content creators who shoot alone. You can switch between video and photo and also control the camera zoom up to 3.5x. You can magnetically attach the bubble to the phone and it is quite visible outdoors as well. You can customize the Bubbles wallpaper via the Bluetooth settings and this interactive pet wallpaper surely looks cool. You get very limited options with it, but the overall UI is clean and simple to understand for any new user. The Oppo Reno 16 comes with a 6700 mAh battery with an 80-watt charger in the box. After opening this device, I charged it to 100% and used it for almost a day. I did 3 to 4 hours of binge watching, 1 or 2 hours of gaming and some calls. And I still had 30% battery left. But if you are a moderate user, then you can use it for more than that too. After discharging the phone, it took almost 1 hour and 5 minutes to fully charge it back from 0 to 100%. And it shows no heating issues. Now it's time for the verdict, and overall I think this phone packs an excellent display, good performance, reliable camera and decent battery life for this price segment. Well, what do you think? Do let us know in the comment section and subscribe for more unbiased videos like this. I'm your host Harshit Arora. मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो में.